Riley, I don't know how long this video will last because I probably wala akong enough memory to store this. Pero today is pretty roller coaster day. I mean, yeah. Wala pa akong tulog ever since kahapon na bago mag-shift nagising ko. So, 5 ako nagising ata kahapon. Tapos ngayon, it's 11 a.m. And hindi naman ako inaantok at all. Maybe because my mind are so busy. I'm so busy. I don't know. I don't know where to start. Where to start the story and how to end. I mean, how to start the storytelling to you and how to end the story that I will be telling to you. I just don't know what to do actually. I was trying to do some chores. Naglaba ako ng tuwalya ng aso, naglinis ako ng sapatos ko, nagwalis ako, hugas ako ng mga kung ano-ano. Like, just to free up my mind. Kasi pag uwi ko, I was just crying. I was so hurt. And I am so guilty. I was begging for forgiveness and mercy and help. Because everything is so painful, so messy. I am always caught between my heart, between my conscience. I want to love Ian until the very last love that I can give, at the same time my conscience is not letting me do it peacefully, knowing na kabit ako. Side chick. Kapag kapit kasi parang pang mag-asawa na yun. Hindi naman sa mag-asawa. Pero side chick ako. The thought of having a girl out there na iniisip niya na Ian is I don't know how to say it. I feel like I'm bad-mouthing Ian, though I know he deserves it. And that's the truth, pero I just can't do it. Forgive me. I'm not yet in the phase na galit. I never felt angry at all, actually. I was so sad. And I was so hurt. I was so busy feeling those two emotions. Para maramdaman ko pa yung galit. Siguro yung galit later on na lang yun. Pero yung sadness and yung hurt feeling ko, it's overflowing sometimes. Holy Week, last week, the day na nalaman ko yun, I was so crying so bad. whole day. Alam mo yung umuwi si mama ng probinsya. So, naiwan lang kami ni Kuya TV dito. I was drinking. Nagbukas ako ng gin, nilaklak ko. Hilong-hilo ko. Iyak ako ng iyak. I never cried so painfully as I cried that day. It's not loud, but it's so painful. I had a drink kasi I can't sleep and I can't stop crying din. Sabi ko, lasingin ko na lang sarili ko para makatulog na ako. Yung una kong choice, alam mo ano, melatonin. Wala na pala akong ganun. So yun, iyak ako ng iyak. Like, hindi ako lasing na nag-blackout pa. Hindi ganun. As hilong-hilo talaga ako. Pero alam ko yung nangyayari sa akin. Like, super iyak ako. And I was so kawawa. I was so kawawa that time. And I would never wish someone would see me in that state again. I was crying so bad. And then, napagod ata ako sa iyak. Nakatulog ako. And then, you know what? Nagising ako umiiyak. After ilang oras, after mga 2 hours, akong nakatulog lang. Sayang yung laklak ko ng gin, 2 hours lang din pala akong patutulogin. Tapos, pagising ko, iyak pa rin ako ng iyak. I come up with the decision na magre-resign ako. I can't stay in the place na may Ian. Yun yung inisip ko at that time. Hindi ko pa alam na nag-resign na rin pala siya. And mauuna siyang aalis talaga sa akin. Pero right now, yung main reason ko rin naman bakit ayoko dun is every corner of Cubao reminds me of Ian. Paglabas ko lang din ng bahay, maalala ko yung hinahatid niya ako It's so, feels so heavy. And alam kong ito-torture ko lang yung sarili ko if I stay there. Kahit na wala na siya. Everything would reminds me of what happened. And I want to start new. Pero hindi ko pa rin sinasabit yung resignation letter ko. Why? Kasi dito naman ako naiipat ngayon. I know I need to get out of that place to help myself. To not torture myself. To have myself heal and move on. Pero at the same time, I need job. Wala akong trabaho, lilipatan pa. Wala pa akong malaking ipon. I don't know kung isa sa resignation letter ko. I need a job. I love that guy so much. I'm willing to throw everything for him. And I hope God will remove him in my life, and I will be removed from his life as well. Sometimes I would be very honest with you. I know you will judge me. You will pity me na, bakit ka pumapayag, Lay, na maging side chick? I love him. Yun yung rason. May mga times na ang nasa isip ko, I'm gonna love him until the very last love na I can give. Until the very last day na we can be together. Which is, hanggang April lang naman. At the same time, my conscience is telling me to stop it right away. And because I feel guilty. So, ayun lang yung mood ko. Iiyak kapag nagigilty. And somehow, makakalma kapag iniisip ko, I'm just gonna love him until the very last love I can give. Lay, tell me what happened. How long it takes for me to move on. And I'm so scared, actually. Kasi kay Vincent na hindi naman love. It took 3 years. At kaya kay Ian, even na I gave everything to him,